Fresh tomatoes enter the journey of becoming rich ketchup.
Every tomato is washed with extreme care and purity.
Only the best tomatoes move forward.
The journey continues layer by layer.
Quality is checked at every step.
Tomatoes are crushed to extract natural pulp. The pulp is heated to remove raw taste.
Spices bring magic to ketchup.
Special ingredients give ketchup its iconic flavor. Pulp is stored for controlled processing. Steam refines the flavor. Ingredients are stored with care. Perfect texture is achieved through homogenizing. Pasteurization ensures long-lasting freshness. Flow systems keep everything clean. Filtration removes unwanted particles. Smoothness perfected. Viscosity tests maintain perfect texture.
Bottles undergo pressure tests.
Only perfect bottles move ahead. Plastic bottles are shaped and sanitized. Bottles are sterilized for 100% hygiene.
Bottles undergo pressure tests.
Safety checks eliminate any impurities. Consistency in every single bottle. Safety is verified scientifically. Color tests guarantee signature red. Every bottle is filled with accuracy. This is how pure ketchup is made. Ketchup's rich red comes alive. Carefully cooled to lock in flavor.
Caps are sealed to keep ketchup safe.
Every bottle gets a unique identity. Labels are printed with vibrant colors. The iconic look of ketchup comes to life. Cartons are prepared for packing. Bottles get safely packed together. Batch codes ensure full traceability. Cartons are sealed tightly. Products move for nationwide delivery. Wrapping ensures safe transport. Robots load pallets with precision.
Products rest before distribution.
Every moment is monitored.
Robots boost speed and accuracy. Glass bottles are prepared for premium ketchup.
Safety protocols stay active 24/7.
Smart factory systems control everything. Teams work together for perfect production.
Every batch is approved before dispatch.
Ketchup cartons are ready for shipping.
The factory works even at night.
Human skill and machines together.